In this video we will explain how to generate a surface in TCP PointCloud Editor from a point cloud. We start by creating a new project and importing a cloud generated by a photogrammetry application, from photographs taken by a drone. We set the symbology of the points according to the categories, since the points have been provisionally classified. Next, we proceed to create the surface from all the points. We look at the result, and we see that there are areas that have not been modeled correctly, because points belonging to buildings, lampposts and others that are not part of the ground have been included. Let's identify some points to check the categories they are assigned. We see that in some cases the classification is correct, and in others it is not. We go into the properties of the categories, and we're going to leave as vertices of the triangulation only the terrain and road surface categories. Now we generate a new surface with only the points belonging to the mentioned categories. We see that the result improves significantly. We modify the representation of the surface to appreciate the relief in more detail.